Alright guys, so if you're wondering what your engine looks like and sounds like right before it seizes up, then I'm going to show you. You can see in there. Right now I'm just showing you what it looks like, and then we're going to move into what it sounds like in just a moment. I don't even know how this thing is running still. Okay, so you can see oil, coolant. This is coolant buildup. Alright, so now let's go ahead and see if it starts. I'll show you what it sounds like. All right, well, you've seen it and you heard it. It's definitely not sounding good. It could be even a rod knock on the top, so maybe one of the lifters. But I think one of the rods is hitting the top. So we got a lot of videos we're going to be doing with this. We're at 223,000 miles. So make sure you like this video and subscribe for more. We're going to be doing a lot of repairs on this, so just stay tuned. Thanks for watching.